A video summary of the original blog found here. https://bmidoctors.com/semaglutide side effects managing burping digestive discomfort. Are you tired of the constant discomfort and embarrassing burping while taking semaglutide? You're not alone, and there's hope. Imagine enjoying your meals without the fear of digestive issues. It starts with eating smaller, more frequent meals to ease your digestive system. Say goodbye to carbonated beverages, beans, and gas-inducing veggies like broccoli and cabbage. Your stomach will thank you. Slow down and savor each bite. Eating slowly and chewing thoroughly can significantly reduce the amount of air you swallow. After a meal, resist the urge to lie down. Staying upright can prevent those pesky digestive problems from flaring up. Incorporate gentle exercise into your daily routine. It's not just good for your body, it helps your digestive system too. Feeling overwhelmed? Talk to your healthcare provider about adjusting your semaglutide dosage or exploring alternative medications. Remember, small changes can lead to big improvements in your comfort and quality of life. Take control of your digestive health and enjoy the benefits of semaglutide without the side effects. Subscribe for more tips on living your best life with semaglutide. Your journey to comfort starts now.